So I got a bunch of Finnish puukko from a family friend. So what do we have here? Some of those I don't even know. This Martin, it's a Finnish maker, pretty known here. It's Kärävä, small puukko. Martin is a well-known Finnish maker, yeah. And this one is also Martin. Martini Finland. This hasn't been used much. It's pretty sharp. So this one I don't know, and the bone has broken off. I'm not totally sure, but I'm pretty sure this is the one that they sell in tourist shops when you go to Lapland. It is actually elk bone, I'm pretty sure, but believe it or not, the reindeer bones, it's pretty easy to come by in Lapland. So small one. It will fit in my palm with the sheet. Toothpick. Don't know the maker. Also reindeer bone. Not sure, probably also tourist gift shop stuff. This one looks a little bit more decent, but no maker in this chrome blade. I think also tourist shop. This is, I'm pretty sure, made in fucking China. While it looks like reindeer bone, then reindeer bone most definitely doesn't have those mold marks. I guess. So this ain't reindeer bone, it's plastic. This is it's roast fry and fish. It's a dollar shell, so this I would say is a crab. Martini Finland. This is also a little bit better. It has some engravings. Martini Finland. This is actually a little bit sharper, and this one is a real Finnish puukko. It's quite good quality. And now for the biggest one, Leukku. The sheet is actually a shit. It looks a lot like carbon steel, but well, I like how it looks. I'm pretty sure it's also the stuff you get from tourist shop. There is the mark where the price sticker was. Huh, some bird is screaming at me. If anybody knows, leave a comment. But yeah, the stick sits in the hand pretty well. I don't say it's bad or something, it's sharp as hell. But I got them in the middle of some sort of a mating ceremony. But yeah, I will probably sell them all off. Not my kind of knives. But yeah, if you have any opinions what does something like this cost or what they really are, you can leave a comment.